Hi everyone, it's Holly McKhann here with Sami Abajudi of Sami's Tailoring, and I'm really excited to present him and his business here in San Juan Capistrano to you today and let you see behind the scenes a little bit and about him and his business. So for starters, Sami, tell us a little bit about your business and what you do here.
You know, I started my business. I'm a tailor. I do all the kind alteration for man and woman. This is for wedding, proms, graduation, cruises. They buy their dresses, their suit. They come to me, they check Sami what will have to be done.
Okay.
And I prepare the whole thing for them to look perfect.
You make it fit them, because the things that come off the racks do not fit everybody in the world, right? We're taller, shorter, fatter, thinner, whatever. Yes. Okay. So tell me a little bit about what you love about this location here.
When I started my business here, I found that the people around here like family. They know each other. They support the small business here too.
Yes.
It's really, and now I have so many clients in my business like family.
Yes.
They come here. Oh, Sami this, Sami that. I love it. I love the people here too. I have clients from Laguna Niguel, from Ladera Ranch, from Coto de Caza, San Clemente. Yeah, I have a lot of clients, you know.
And how long have you been in business here?
Here, 35 years.
35 years, that's a long time. That's, probably some people have grown up and known you forever here.
Yeah. I'm the oldest tenant here in that shopping center.
Okay.
Me and Vance.
You and Vance, huh? You're the long-standers.
All these people come and going, you know.
Yeah.
But,
and tell us, where are you originally from?
I'm originally from Jordan.
Wow, that's really neat. I love when people come from other countries and are entrepreneurs here and live the American dream, maybe.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's an American nightmare with COVID going on right now, I know.
Now.
But yeah, that's really wonderful. And how did you get started? What interested you in tailoring?
You know, back home, my family, they used to have shops custom made. They ship it to everywhere.
Wow.
See, I used to help them there, something like that. And when decide to move down here, we start doing that business, you know.
Okay.
But custom made, it didn't work.
Oh.
Why? So expensive too.
Yes.
You know, everybody buy them ready made, will make it fit just like custom made.
Okay.
Yeah, COVID infected my business. This really more than 75 to 85%.
Wow.
It's really why my business, luxury business, you know. This is people didn't go for wedding, for graduation, proms, all these things, you know, they stop, and a lot of people working from the house. You know, didn't have to go buy something, buy suit or a dress.
Right.
Yeah, that's really my business affected with it a lot.
Yeah.
Not a little bit, you know.
Well, hopefully soon, in the next few months, when those vaccines get out, people are going to be having so many parties and weddings. So they'll be coming back to you. You'll be like, oh, I'm too busy.
Yeah.
Well, I have to compliment you on how nice you dress just to come to
you.
work. You don't see that very often these days.
You know, life too short. I like to dress up. We used to that back home too, like Europe.
Right.
They all dress up, you know.
Yes.
And all my clients, when they come, they always say, always when we come, you always look nice, sharp, smiling, welcome your customer, something like that. I have my client like family.
Well, let me tell you, viewers, where we're located. We're in the Vaughn Center in San Juan Capistrano. It's also called Plaza de Rio, right?
Plaza de Rio.
And we're off Camino Capistrano, right across from the 5 freeway, also kind of near Ross and Marshall's, if you know the area. So come in and visit Sami. He'll make your clothes fit just perfectly. Get those pants that are too long, hemmed, whatever you need. He can help you
your dress,
make
your
everything
suit,
fixed the way you want it to make you look just spectacular for those special occasions, or even just for portraits. Maybe people are getting pictures and they want to look their best in pictures.
Yeah,
And then hopefully in a few months we'll be out and about having a good time again.
Yeah,
so.
I hope so. I hope so.
Well, thank you so much for being such a good
really.
part of our community. And
thank you.
Thank you for what you do to help people look their best.
Oh,
and
thank you.
Being a pillar of
always I do my best to look
yes,
sharp, you know.
Yes.
This is very important, you know.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Well, we appreciate you being in the community and helping people look good. So thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching.
You.
And come and visit Sami at Sami's Tailoring in San Juan Capistrano. We'll have a link below that you can find him as well. Thanks so much for watching.